Good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy that you're here with me today. Today I'm doing kind of like a Saturday in my life as an esthetician slash makeup artist, because Saturdays are always filled with some sort of makeup. So I have on my black today, even though I do also have a facial and a brow wax, but I mostly like to focus on my makeups on Saturday. And I got a bunch of things from Amazon, a bunch of like makeup kit must-haves, and I have a bunch of stuff on my Christmas list for makeup, so I wanted to like kind of talk to you guys about that kind of stuff. But I need to get to my salon because I've already wasted this morning away doing a bunch of nothing. Let me show you what I'm wearing. Hold on, see if I can turn this camera around. Can you see? I'm wearing these little like cheetah looking booties. I'm kind of doing like the streetwear today, so I have like joggers with this cute sweater. You can literally see because this thing is up. There we go. And then I have my water bottle. I just carried all of this up the stairs. Oh my god, this was a lot. But also, wait, let me take these out because I need these for today, because I have a brow wax and tint right now. Okay, I'm gonna clean up my brow wax and tints. Hold on, let's do that on here. The wax was like super sticky, which is annoying. Look at this. And then grab aside these and clean this, and then I have to set up for my makeup really fast. Alright, also, I wanted to show you guys what I got. And, well, actually two things. So I got this, and I know so many makeup artists use this, but look at how nice this is. It keeps all my stuff intact. But I'm gonna switch out these black ones for the pretty pink ones, and I'm gonna use these for my brow waxes. Also, my hands are washed, don't worry. But I'm gonna switch them because these are so much prettier, right? But yeah, I just bought this on Amazon and it came in a pack of 2. So I gave the other one to Kylie. But I'm gonna put these in here. If it fits. Oops, shoving them in. Okay, wait, maybe I have too many. And then it's just so much more like easy to carry like this. I think I'm gonna put Q-tips in this one. And then, oh yeah, I'm gonna grab them. Okay, good. But then I have to set up my makeup after I do this. So I'm actually gonna use these today. Okay, grab some Q-tips. Perfect. Look how nice that is. Wow. And then the other thing I wanted to show you guys is I got this pack of beauty sponges for literally $8 on Amazon. I'll link these down below. Like, how nice are these? They feel just like the Real Technique ones. So I'm gonna use one of these today. And then I'm gonna save these. My makeup. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give each bride, like, I'm gonna let them keep this, and then I'm gonna get a little lipstick touch up. Can you see me? I'm like talking to you guys on the thing, but yeah, I'm gonna put this in a little bag, and then I'm gonna put a little touch up like lipstick thing, and then that's like their little touch up kit for the day. So also I'm getting the little like powder sponges too, but I need to set up my makeup.
Welcome to another day in the life of
I just finished the makeup and it looks so good. I'll show you guys like a little bit. Hold on. Show you the video. So it's a New Year's Eve wedding. Here you go. You can kind of see it. Wait. It is a New Year's Eve wedding and it looked so good. Like I was like obsessed with the eye look. So that turned out good, but I am so starving and I have to set up for my facial and clean this makeup up. So I have to do all that in an hour and a half, but I'm so hungry. I have to eat first. Like I have to. I'm starving. So I'm gonna go get my food that's in my car and I'll heat that up and then I'm gonna eat it while I'm like cleaning up. I have my little mini pizza and my Rice Krispie treat. Healthy. I know. So I'm gonna let that cool for a second and I'm going to, where should I put you guys? Maybe right here for a second. I don't know. No. Up here. And I'm gonna kind of just clean this up really quick. Because I thought I had a huge gap. But it's actually, whoa. Not that much time.
In the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other.
Right, I got this new bag from my boyfriend's sister and it's like a mini luggage. And so I'm gonna be keeping my palettes and my cotton rounds in here. And I keep my airbrush / extension cords. I need my mirror too. Is it in here? No. Where is that? But I'm gonna keep that in there. And then I'm also gonna put these in here. So it'll be kind of like my bag. Here it is. My bag of stuff that I have to take all the time. Like my big clunky stuff. And then it closes up into this little luggage with the handle. So it is really nice to have.
Wrote you letters, sent a message to the that day. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever. Sitting in your room, working on my first record. Skip to the present, and I still haven't released it. But it's okay.
Okay, I make such a mess when I have facials. It's ridiculous. Like, look at this mess. But I'm gonna put this and this. So I could clean this.
That's what it feels like. Haven't been so happy ever.
Oh my god, I'm so tired. It's now 3 o'clock and I'm done for the day. Finally. I'm literally leaving my makeup here. I do not care. Because I don't know if I love my hair like this. But whatever. I'm leaving my makeup here because I am too tired and I don't want to be cold to bring it all the way to the car. So I have my purse here. And my lunchbox is in here. And where's my keys? But yeah, basically done. Let me get my jacket. Hold on. And now I am just gonna go home. I think we're gonna do lots of shopping. It's the weekend now. Since it's Saturday, my weekends start on Sunday, so I have Sunday and Monday off, so it's time to chill. But then I work like insane on Tuesday and Wednesday, which is the Tuesday and Wednesday before Thanksgiving. I'll definitely vlog those for you guys because those are so booked. I don't think I've ever had this many clients. Actually, I think I might have last year before Christmas. But wait, I'll show you all of these. Wait. Oh, it doesn't want to load. Oh, there we go. All these appointments. Yeah, it'll be fun. But I am done. I've made really good money these past 2 days. Like, I'm not mad about it. Yeah, so let me clean up, get everything situated. I still don't know where my keys are because, oh, they're in here. Okay. Alright, I'm out of here. I've been at work so long. There's like snow accumulatively. But I feel like this is from blowing on the ground maybe. I don't know. But I'm letting my car warm up for a second because it is so cold.